Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to download, install and set up Winlator on your Android device. You can use this emulator to run PC games and software. This setup is basically for Snapdragon processor. So if you have MediaTek processor, you might have a small hiccups in performance. So Snapdragon processor and Android GPU is recommended. So this setup right here is basically for Snapdragon processor. And I also have to mention that you need to have at least Android 10 and above to set up and install Winlator on your Android device. I'm not trying to say that MediaTek processor can't handle it. I'm just trying to say that overall, MediaTek are not well optimized for emulators. Just that developers prioritize Android GPU and Snapdragon SoC for emulation. So if you have MediaTek, it's going to work, but not as good as a Snapdragon processor. That's my point. The D drive in this Winlator is basically your Android download folder. So anything you move into your Android download folder will be found inside the D drive. So at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to enable input control. There are two options available in this emulator. You can choose to have keyboard layout or controller layout. So anyone that suits your need perfectly, you can choose that. So that's all for this video. I hope you find this video helpful. See you guys in the next one.